Latvian alphabet or Latviešu alfabēts. This video is made for you if you want to recap and memorize all 33 letters of Latvian alphabet, or if you are a speedy person and you want to learn Latvian alphabet easy and fast. In next 2 minutes, you will learn Latvian alphabet pronunciation or Latviešu alfabēts ar izrunu. So let's go! A, B, C, Č, D, E, F, G, D, H, I, J, K, Č, L, L, M, N, Ņ, O, P, R, S, Š, T, U, V, Z, Ž. Great work! You feel it's not enough? And you want to learn Latvian alphabet in depth? I will leave the link below to Latvian alphabet videos where you can learn how to write, pronounce, read all Latvian alphabet letters. In next few videos, we will learn how to read Latvian language easily. Thank you for watching our channel. If you liked our videos, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the next Latvian language lesson. Bye!